Hi friends, welcome to Abhi Tutorials. In this lesson, we are going to see how to run JS using Node.js and how we can run JS from VS Code. First, let's see what is Node.js. Node.js is an open source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime that is built using V8 JavaScript engine of Chrome. When JavaScript started, it was only meant for browsers or client-side coding. After the release of Node.js, JavaScript is used to write even server-side scripts as well. Also, it can be used to create networking tools and command line utilities. This have paved a way to use a single language in multiple areas and paved a way for a JavaScript everywhere paradigm. There is a huge user community for the Node.js. Various companies use Node.js for their applications. Few popular names are listed here. As per Stockshare.io, more than 7,000 companies are using Node.js and the list is growing. Installing Node is quite simple. Let's now see how to install the same. Open the URL in a browser. Once opened, you can select either the LTS or the long-term support version or the current version. I am going to select the LTS version as it is recommended. The current version may have new features, but it also could contain unfixed bugs. So LTS is recommended download. Once it's downloaded, you can open the downloaded file in a folder. The Node installer is displayed as highlighted. You can double click on it to start the installation. In the welcome screen, you can click Next. Please read through the license agreement and accept the same to proceed further. The installer will now ask for install location to place the Node files. You may use the same or you can choose to change the folder location. All items mentioned here will be installed to the system. Also, as mentioned here, Node install folder will also be added to the system path so that Node can be globally run from any folder in your system. In the screen, you can choose to ignore the optional tools and click the next button. Now click on the install button as displayed. Select yes in the dialog as displayed. The installation will start. Wait for the installation to complete. Once done, click on the finish button. To check if Node is properly installed in your system, click on the Start menu and type cmd to open the command prompt. In the command prompt which opens up, type node ---- version. This will display the version of Node installed in your machine. Now let's run a simple JavaScript file using Node. Create a new text document in any folder in your system. Rename the file to lesson3.js. Make sure that file extension is .js. If you cannot see the extension, click on the View tab and ensure that the file name extension box is checked. Once the file is created, right-click on the file and open it with Notepad or any text editor. Type the simple line of code console.log of hello world within double quote or single quotes and end it with a semicolon, or you can ignore the semicolon as both will work. Now save the file and close it. Back to the location where the file is present. Select the address bar as highlighted. Type cmd. This will open a command prompt with the path set as the path of the file. Now type the command node lesson3.js and press enter. This command will execute the JS file and will display the output as highlighted in the screen. Running JavaScript from VS Code is also similar. Open your VS Code from Start menu. From File menu, select Open Folder and open the folder containing the file which you have created earlier. The folder opens with the file as displayed. Open the file and you can see the same content. Click on Terminal and select New Terminal. A terminal window will be opened as displayed. In the terminal window, type the command node lesson3.js. You will be able to see the output displayed here as well. That ends our topic today for running JS using Node.js. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.